Scott, there's something that you probably didn't think you'd ever see me do, and that's some upscale fancy eggs. We fixing to get a schooling right now, bro. This is from those water bottles. Now you need to sharpen the edge by running a knife around here so it'll cut through here good. Take a spoon. Got a perfectly cut out egg. There's a couple of things that you can do with those shells. One of them is make confetti eggs out of. The other one I'm going to show you an upscale egg dish. I'm going to scramble this down a little bit and we'll be right back. Okay, this thing's scrambled down a little bit. I was looking on the internet and they had some fancy chef and he was doing a creamed egg. The length of that YouTube video was about 20 minutes. Now this is some crema that I put that Texas ketchup in, I call it. And all it is some ground up, pulverized chipotle peppers. Stir this around really good like that. This ended up looking a lot like those creamed eggs. Now if you got a special occasion and you're wanting to go do something a little fancy for your wife, this is one of those eggs that we've washed out and everything. You can take this thing and you can load it back in this shell. Get you a little bitty spoon to eat this out of there. That's my son, grandson, he's in the background, he's wanting some of these eggs. So Scott, this is my version of a hoity-toity egg. You need to try that, you'll like it, you don't have to stuff it in the shell. Well, something a little bit different next week for you.